Hi everyone. I hope you had a great day yesterday. Today is, oh, what is today? That's right, boys and girls. Today is Friday. We're going to go ahead and start our calendar. So today is Friday. And if today is Friday, boys and girls, what was yesterday? That is right. Yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Saturday, the start of our weekend. And we are on Friday. And we know that yesterday was the 15th. So that makes today, that's right, that makes today the 16th. Very good, boys and girls. So today is Friday, October 16th, 2020. Let's say it all together. Here we go. Today is Friday, October 16th, 2020. Good. Boys and girls, you can see that tomorrow is someone's birthday. It is Emery's birthday tomorrow. It is Emery's birthday tomorrow. Alrighty, in our days in school place value chart, we are going to add a cube to our ones column. And adding that cube to that ones column brings our number up to, well, let's count it and find out. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So our count is 28, boys and girls. We are in school for 28 days. And what is one more than 28? That's right, one more than 28 is 29. What is one less than 28? One less than 28 is 27. 10 more than 28? Yes, it is 38. And 10 less than 28 is 18. Good. And in our tens frame, we're going to go ahead and we are going to add a dot right into our tens frame. And you can see that we only have 2 spaces that are blank. Well, I know one of my making 10 combinations is 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I know that this number is 8 because I see only 2 spaces here. So 10, 20, 28. How else could we count that? We could count it 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Absolutely count it like that. Oh, wait, there's one more way. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Because we know if 1/2 of this is filled, it is 5. 1/2 of 5 is 10. For our tally marks, we're going to move a tally right up here. So we have 3 tallies there. And when we count our tallies, we count them in groups of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Great job if you remembered to go back over to those ones after we counted those groups of 5. Ooh, our money is getting a little bit trickier as we get into some higher numbers. We're going to go ahead and change this 27 to show 28 cents using the dollar symbol and the decimal point. And we're going to change this to show 28 cents using the cents symbol. Yesterday, we had 1 quarter and 2 pennies. Ooh, how much is a quarter worth? If you said a quarter is worth 25 cents, you are absolutely correct. So we have 25, 26, 27. So what can we add to make 28? Yes, we're going to add 1 penny because we know a penny is worth 1 cent. So if we count, we're going to start here with the quarter, 25, 26, 27, 28. Good job. Well, I'm going to go back here because I hope that you have already completed your attendance slide today. If you have not, please pause right now and go complete that attendance slide and then come back. Our affirmations, remember we're doing number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So where I'm going to count to 3, and we're going to start with I can do this. Then we're going to go right to I am smart, I am friendly, I am awesome, and I am calm. So starting with number 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I can do this. I am smart. I am friendly. I am awesome. I am calm. Good job, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go over to our checklist. And on our checklist, boys and girls, you have completed day 1. You have completed day 2. And today, you are going to complete day 3 of our checklist. So, in Science and Social Studies today, you are going to read the Fire Tech Tools Scholastic News found in Google Classroom. That is in preparation of Fire Prevention Week, that is next week. After you have completely read the Fire Tech Tools Scholastic News, and I would recommend reading it 2 times, you're going to complete the Fire Tech Tools Google slide. After you've completed Science and Social Studies, please move on to Tier Time where you are reading independently. Remember, reading independently, that whole tier time helps to build your stamina so that you are stronger readers and able to read for a long period of time without getting tired. Our language arts assignments for today are Accelerate 5.3 Farm Visit, and please complete 5.3 Comprehension Quiz as well. The writing that you did yesterday, your how-to paragraph, you are going to edit that paragraph today. Remember, boys and girls, editing means you are checking the spellings of your words, you are checking for capital letters, and you are checking for ending punctuation. Remember, if you have any proper nouns, nouns that specifically name something, you are going to make sure they are capital letters as well. Then, after you edit your writing, you're going to go ahead and write your good copy of your paragraph. You're going to upload it into Google Classroom. Please make sure that your picture is clear, close enough so that I can read it before you upload it. And then you are going to move on to math. You have estimate how many and estimate the sum in Accelerate. And of course, you are always doing extra math practice. All right, we're going to go ahead and recap. So in Science Social Studies today, you are going to read the Fire Tech Tools Scholastic News 2 times, and then complete the Fire Tech Tools Google slide. After you complete Science and Social Studies, you are going to move on to reading independently, reading the entire time in Tier Time. You will complete Accelerate 5.3 Farm Visit and 5.3 Comprehension Quiz in Accelerate. You are going to edit your how-to paragraphs that you wrote yesterday. Remember, they are your brainstormed paragraphs, the ones that you brainstormed those topics on Wednesday. And then you're going to write the good copy of that paragraph. You're going to upload it into Google Classroom, making sure that I can read that picture that you have taken. In math, you are completing estimate how many and estimate the sum in Accelerate, and then you are doing extra math practice. Boys and girls, please make sure you complete all of your activities. I can't wait to read your how-to paragraphs that you are going to upload into Google for me. And remember, boys and girls, if you have any questions, my office hours are from 11:40 to 11:50 and from 12:50 to 1 o'clock. So if you have any questions, please get onto our Google Meet anytime between 11:40 and 11:50 and 12:50 and 1 o'clock. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great day of learning today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I will see all of you in school on Monday morning. Bye.